Today we're diving into something truly exciting: how you can build your own AI assistant in 2025, even if you've never written a single line of code. iTools have come so far that you don't need to be a programmer to create something powerful. You just need curiosity, a few free tools, and a bit of creativity. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build a personal AI system that can organize your day, summarize information, plan projects, send reminders, and even learn your habits, all automatically. Let's get started. Part 1. Understanding the modern AI assistant. Before we start building, let's first understand what a personal AI assistant really means in 2025. It's not just a chatbot or voice tool. It's a connected ecosystem, a system of intelligent apps that communicate with each other, think together, and act on your behalf. Imagine this. You start your morning, and your AI assistant has already checked your schedule, summarized your emails, and prepared a to-do list based on your current goals. It's not guessing. It knows your preferences, your typical work hours, and even your focus habits. That's what a true AI assistant does. It extends your abilities and lets you focus on creativity, thinking, and decision-making. The purpose isn't to replace people. It's to empower you to do more with less effort. Part 2. The foundation. Choosing your core AI platform. Let's start by picking the brain of your AI assistant, the large language model or platform it will think through. In 2025, there are several excellent options. ChatGPT, OpenAI, ideal for natural language, creativity, and structured tasks. Claude, Anthropic, great at summarizing large documents. Gemini, Google, powerful for integrating with Google Workspace. Perplexity AI, excellent for research and factual accuracy. Pick one that fits your workflow best. If you already live in Google Apps, Gemini may be your best choice. If you write or create, ChatGPT or Claude might work better. Once you have your main AI, think of it as your assistant's brain. It can process information, write notes, make lists, and interpret commands. But now we need to teach it to act. Part 3. Connecting actions with no-code tools. Your assistant needs to perform actions, like sending an email, scheduling a meeting, or organizing your files. Here's where no-code automation tools come in. Platforms like Zapier, Make, or IFTTT allow you to connect multiple apps with simple logic. Example: you can set a rule: when I receive an email from a specific person, summarize it using ChatGPT and send the summary to my Notion workspace. This takes about 5 minutes to set up and requires zero coding. You can connect Gmail, Notion, Google Calendar, Slack, and even your phone notifications. Once you create these small automations, your assistant starts to become active. It no longer just answers questions, it helps you get things done. Part 4. Giving your assistant a memory. A great assistant doesn't just follow commands, it remembers context. That's where knowledge management tools like Notion AI, Obsidian, or Mem.ai come into play. They allow you to store all the data your AI needs to function intelligently. You can feed it your goals, current projects, notes, or study materials. Then, when you ask it something, it can refer back to that memory. Imagine asking your assistant, "Summarize my notes from last week's meeting and create a task list." It will find your notes, analyze them, and generate a clear, structured action plan. This gives your AI a form of personal memory, which makes it more human-like and effective. Part 5. Adding personality and tone. Now that your assistant can think and act, it's time to give it a personality. Do you want it to sound friendly and casual? Professional and concise? Creative and witty? You can define this in your prompt or setup. Example: you are my productivity-focused assistant. Speak in short, clear sentences. Help me plan tasks and stay on track. Or, you are a creative brainstorming partner. Suggest ideas freely, use humor, and push me to think outside the box. This customization makes the experience more enjoyable. It feels like interacting with a real teammate. Part 6. Building an interface. While chat-based AIs are powerful, an interface makes them easier to use. If you want your assistant to have a voice, use 11 Labs or Play.ht to generate realistic speech. If you want visuals, build a dashboard in Notion, Framer, or Glide, all no-code platforms. Imagine a clean dashboard where you see your daily schedule, current focus tasks, and AI recommendations, all automatically updated. It looks professional, futuristic, and can be fully personalized. Part 7. Connecting multiple AIs together. Here's where things get advanced, but still beginner-friendly. You can link multiple AI services together into one system. For example, use ChatGPT for language and summaries. Use Claude for reading and analyzing documents. Use Perplexity for real-time research. Then connect them using Make or Zapier. Now, when you ask your main AI to prepare a short research brief, it can automatically call the right services to gather and summarize the information. You've just built your first multi-agent system, without writing a single line of code. Part 8. How to keep it organized. As your assistant grows, it's important to stay organized. Here's how. Create one master workspace, Notion or Obsidian. Add folders, tasks, projects, knowledge, people. Connect them to your AI. This way, everything stays synchronized. You can say, add a new task to my projects folder about creating a report next week, and it will automatically update your workspace. Over time, you'll notice, your assistant becomes a digital version of your brain. Part 9. Daily use examples. Here are some examples of how to use it every day. Ask it to summarize meetings. Get reminders for deadlines. Generate study notes. Plan your week based on goals. Keep track of fitness or wellness routines. Each small use case compounds into massive time savings. Your assistant isn't doing your work, it's helping you manage it better. Part 10. AI ethics and privacy. Before we wrap up, let's talk about something essential, ethics and privacy. When building an AI assistant, always check what data is being stored, where it's processed, who has access to it. Most modern AI platforms provide secure environments, but it's your responsibility to keep your information safe. Avoid sharing sensitive data or private documents unless you fully trust the service. Your digital safety matters. Part 11. Expanding with plugins and agents. Once you're comfortable, you can start adding plugins or AI agents. For example, a calendar agent that organizes your week, a research agent that finds sources, a writing agent that drafts summaries. Each agent is like a mini employee working under your direction. But again, no coding needed. You simply connect pre-built tools and instruct them in plain language. This modular structure means your assistant can grow indefinitely as new tools appear. Part 12. Long-term maintenance. Your AI assistant will get smarter over time. But it still needs regular updates, just like a digital workspace. Once a month, review your automations. Which workflows are useful? What can be improved or simplified? Which new tools could replace outdated ones? This small habit keeps your assistant efficient and relevant. Part 13. The future of personal AI. The future of personal AI isn't about technology. It's about customization. In 2025, AI tools are powerful enough that every person can create something unique. Your assistant can reflect your personality, habits, and goals. It can become your creative partner, project manager, and daily motivator. And the more you use it, the better it gets. We're stepping into a world where your devices don't just respond, they anticipate. That's the next era of productivity and personalization. Let's recap. In this video, we learned how to build your own personal AI assistant. Choose a core AI platform. Connect it using no-code automation. Give it memory with Notion or Mem.ai. Customize its tone and interface. Use it daily and keep it updated. The tools are ready. The future is here. And it starts with you creating something truly personal, your own AI assistant. So go ahead, start building, experimenting, and shaping your digital future.